So, hello everyone. Welcome to this number system series. Let's see some examples of conversion from one base to other. Then we'll go into the details. Then we'll see some more examples. So for now, as in the previous video, I told you, right? Let's see here. So see, I told you that if the number both the bases are powers of 2, we'll convert it into 2. Then do it in the next base. Then if they are not in powers of 2, we'll convert it into 10, and then we'll go. I said this, but we'll go into this later. Now let's see some general example. Now suppose if they give an number in base b1 and they ask you to convert it into base b2. Let's see what to do. So in general, the steps we follow here. Okay, the steps we follow for conversion is: first, convert this b1 base. Okay, whatever it may be, convert this b1 to base 10. Right. So next what you'll do is, then you'll convert this base 10 number to base 2, base b2. Okay. So for example, now if we take a general representation, now suppose if we have something like this a b c and x, suppose x is the base and they have asked us to convert it into base 10. So what is this they ask now? So before we do this, we need to add some, what we say, weights. You can call this as weights to this numbers. Okay. So the weights, how they work is, now this it will come like this. This will be x to the power 0. This will be x to the power 1. So this will be x to the power 2. If there was one more number, it would have been x to the power 3, and so on. This is how we work. You can call this as weights or whatever term you have. So now how do we convert this? Now how this works is, now you have this, right? So you multiply this a into x square, okay, plus b into x1, okay, plus c dot x raised to 0. So this is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c, right? X raised to 0 is 1, right? So c. So if you this is the number that we require in base 10. So here this ax square plus bx plus c will go here. Okay. So this is the answer. So if you did not understand this, let's take an example. Okay, simple example. Now let's say we have 1, 2, 3, let's say 7. Okay, and we want to convert it into base 10. Okay, so how will we do this? So what now, first thing is we need to add weights, right? So this will be, so here this was base x, right? So here instead of that we have base 7. So here it was x raised to 0. So here it will be 7 raised to 0. Then this will be 7 raised to 1. Wait for this, and wait for this will be 7 raised to 2. So now let's do it. So first number, what is the first number? First number is 1. So 1 into what is the weight? This, right? Sorry, not like this. It will come here, right? Okay. So 7 raised to 2 plus what is the second number? Second number is 2. So 2 into 7 raised to 1 plus what is the third number? 3. 3 into 7 raised to 0. So what is 7 square? This is 49 plus 2 sevens are 14 plus 7 raised to 0 is 1, right? So 3. So this will be 59, 63, 66, right? Yeah, yes, 66. So this is the answer what we get. So this is one example how we can do it. Let's do one more. Okay, let's take a bigger one and do it. So now let's say we, okay, so let's see now, let's take some big one. Just take one extra. 1, 2, A, B, 16 equal, let's say they're asking us to find what is the base 10. So one thing, you will remember, so base 16, so it will have 16 digits, but the digits will be from 0 to 15, right? 1 less than 16. So this is how it works. So now this will be the, so if you want, what we can do is, for base 16 up to 9 it's same. Then we have this A, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. let's, for simplification, we'll write it 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now write the weights. This will be 16 raised to 0. This will be 16 raised to 1. This will be 16 raised to 2. This will be 16 raised to 3. So it's simple, right? So now just multiply. What is the number? 1. 1 into 16 raised to 3 plus 2. What is this? 2, right? 2 into 16 raised to 2 plus a. What is a? A is 10, right? So 10 into 16 raised to 1 plus what is b? B is 11. 11 into 16 raised to 0. So this will be 1, right? 11 plus 16 ones are 16, 16, 160. This will be 160. And I think 16 square is 256, right? So 256 into 2 will be 512. And then this is 16 cube. So you can calculate, add this 16 cube, not 163. This is 16 cube, okay? Just add this and you'll get the answer for this. So this is how we solve. So the methodology or or the concept to be understood, answers are not important currently. How we solve, that is important. So I hope you got this video. We'll take some more examples. We'll explore some more things on this number system. We still have a lot to cover, like conversion from base 10. How do we do that? Then later we'll go some we'll take some examples on this. Then we have this minimum number of bits required for interconversion. Many more things to come. So I hope you understood. Thank you.